Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm down here in the garage because I got a product, and a product you do mount to the hitch of your car and then you can just relax. If that sounds interesting to you, you should watch the video completely. That's what it's talking about, relaxing at the back of your car. It sounds weird now when I say it like that, but let me show you this hammock which you can mount to the hitch, and it extends completely and you can just relax on the side of your road or wherever you want to in the wilderness or whatever you feel like. Let me show you this little weird looking hitch mount. So that's one piece, this is one piece, and you get the hammock and you also get not a wrench. You get this little friend as well, so it's secured to your hitch, but I did just replace it with this one. Link in the description below, because this one is anti-rattle. Also has a little lock, and if you want to keep it forever on your hitch, you're more than welcome to do so. So one thing I want to notice here when I received it, it's black, I guess powder coated or whatever it's called. And here you can see that it did already split off, and that's due to shipping somehow, because it somehow got caught behind this. Because when you drive, this one will not move out. Something must have happened that it got some kind of bending or whatever, but it did work. And what I had to do, tighten all those bolts completely. This one, and also here on the other side. So that was here on my unit specific. I don't know if it's always like that. When I received it, that's what it was. Let me show you now how this assembles on the car, on the hitch, so you understand what it means, and then you can think about it if it makes sense for you also having something relaxing like this on your car, because you always drive somewhere and you have to wait a little bit longer, so why not enjoying the wait. So there's also one thing to notice. I did some modifications, and the modification is very, very minor. The modification itself is just a carabiner to the hammock, just to make it easier to tie it and use different sizes and length depending on the weight. Because I'm obviously more heavy than my wife, and when she uses it, she doesn't need it maybe hanging that high. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So when you look here in the string or the rope itself, we have some knots here in between to adjust it. Basically we have 3 different lengths, and then we have those carabiners, link in the description below as well, which work well for our weights so far, and just left and right attached to both ropes, and then you can adjust the length a little bit easily, and it also makes it easier for opening and closing the entire hammock. Great, that was it. please leave some comments below. I think we have a sturdy product here, which is very relaxing so far. My wife loves it more. Well, she loves it so much that I'm not able to use it really. So it's on her car, which means it's constantly on her car. So I'm really having not a lot of, so I can really not use it a lot. But I think it's a very cool product, very innovative, and really it's a relaxing thing, especially here in America when you drive around and you just have to wait somewhere. You can just pop it up and enjoy it. With those carabiners, it makes it way easier and quicker to install, and then just take it down and continue driving. That's all from my side. Leave some comments below. Let me know what you think about it, and see you next time. Thank you. Cheers!